It's a nasty day out today, so we're gonna go inside and work on a little bit. We're putting the bottom part there in underneath there. It's kind of wet. It's been raining all night long. But I'm gonna keep it all dry so it doesn't get too terribly wet. The water's blowing on the inside, but she's pretty solid. But we'll take a break from out here and go inside and work on something. Cindy's cleaned out this. She's cleaned the showers fell out here. We're gonna put this back in there too. So, but yeah, it's real nasty. It's cold, shiver cold. Probably 42 degrees out, but that's where she is. So we're gonna take a break from here and go inside in the warm garage. And yeah, it's definitely winter. We've taken the door apart right here, and we've taken the door frame off so we can clean it up. And we're gonna make a whole new door right here. We just took this off to make a pattern, but this is made with a .024 gauge aluminum. But we're gonna rebuild this door right here because they get kind of flimsy. We're gonna rebuild it out of a .042 aluminum, the same gauge that the Airstreams are made out of. That's what we're gonna make the door out of. And so we're gonna go inside where it's a little warmer out of the wind and work on this. What we're doing right here is we are cleaning all the dirt and the grime over the period of years. This trailer's about 50 years old, and it's just built up just dirt and grime and just wear. And we're cleaning this material off on this door jamb right here to take it down sometime and get welded back together and what have you, so we can put it back in the frame. There's a lot of this milk colored trim, and the windows have got to be cleaned up, and it's done with wire brushes and a little bit of steel wool and some glue off and solvent and hard elbow grease there from Miss Cindy. Miss Cindy works hard on this. She's a good motivator. She keeps me going at it, and there are times I need to back off on it, but she keeps on pressing on, and it's a passion that her and I both have together to get this done. Our plan is to have it done by August or September of 2020. So I'm just clean.